Hello, you're welcome to day 16 of the 30 Day Sew with Tia Sewing Challenge. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sew a double placket for your buttonhole in a shirt. So the first thing you want to do is to have your front pattern, and this crease line is going to be my center front. Now to this crease line, we are going to be adding 4.5 inches, as you can see. Now what we are going to do with this 4.5 inches is that we are going to be dividing this into 1 inch, and the last would be 0.5 inch. So just look at what I'm doing closely. So I'm going to start with, okay, 1 inch, as you can see, 1 inch, as you can see, then another inch making 2 inches, then another inches making 3 inches, then the fourth inch, and lastly the 0.5. So I'm going to go to the upper part to replicate the same markings, after which I'm going to make straight lines and I'm going to show you. All right, so these are the lines. I went ahead to create crease lines so that it will be easy for you to understand this tutorial. So what we are going to do now, this is the right side I marked on. I'm going to be folding the 0.5 inches inward. That is to the wrong side. That is the first line I'm going to fold, okay? Now, so I'm going to fold the 0.5 inward, like to the wrong side, as you can see. Then I'm going to fold the first 1 inch, okay, on the next inch. So you can see the way I folded this inward, right? So after doing that, the next I'm going to be folding outward, okay? So you can see the way I place my hand. I'll fold outward, as you can see. So if you have your iron with you, you can go ahead to press this down. Then after which I'm going to fold inward again. So the 0.5 inch and 1 inch fold inward, then next inch fold outward, then fold inward. So I'm going to go ahead to stitch this down, and I'm going to let you see what I have after I'm done doing that. So after stitching down, this is what I have. As you can see that this is already ready. Now I made use of a contrast thread so that you can see this clearly. So you are going to be placing your button on the inner part, and you can see the upper part is going to remain closed. So this is just a technique you can use for your shirts, and it adds more beauty, though you have to use more fabric than usual. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you've gained value. Thank you.